You're a small business, you're making money, your business is growing. Now it's time to pay taxes. Let's talk about why you should make estimated tax payments, and then I'm going to show you how to make estimated tax payments for your small business. What's going on, guys? If you're new here, please like, follow, and subscribe. I make more videos like this with business credit, business strategies, and e-commerce related content. And let's dive right in. So I have this NerdWallet article pulled up to facilitate this video, and let's go ahead and dive in. So estimated tax payments 2024, how they work and when to pay. Really quick, let's just dive into the nitty gritty. So estimated tax payments are payments made to the IRS throughout the year on taxable income that is not subject to federal withholding. Typically freelancers, those who are self-employed, businesses, and some investors have quarterly tax payment obligations. W-2 workers whose tax liability is not fully covered by their withholdings may also need to pay estimated taxes. So if you're a W-2 but for some reason you're not paying enough taxes, you may want to pay estimated tax payments, but this video is more directed to small businesses. In 2024, estimated tax payments are due April 15th, June 17th, and September 16th. So every quarter of the year, a estimated tax payment is due. So let's dive into why you should make estimated tax payments. Number one is stay ahead of the curve with your taxes, so you don't get caught off guard with a huge tax bill at the end of the year. So as I was growing my business back in 2017, 2018, and things like that, I was generating revenue and making money, and that was all fine and dandy. But at the end of the year, my accountant gave me the news that I had a pretty fat tax bill. And the problem was not that I didn't have the money. The problem was that I didn't allocate tax money and put the money aside. I didn't make any estimated tax payments. And so what resulted in that was me scrambling to put the money together, and I had to just get money, from the business, from places that I didn't intend to get that money out of unexpectedly. And so when you make estimated tax payments, you're basically staying ahead of the curve, right? You're making payments every quarter so that by the end of the year, you either A, don't owe anything, or B, you just have to make one small payment for your taxes at the end of the year, and you're good. So instead of, being caught off guard at the end of the year and having to pay a large lump sum, you're making payments throughout the year. And that's just way better. Number two is just being responsible and organized as a small business. Taking care of this will give you peace of mind, and you don't have to set too much more money aside at the end of the year. And I kind of already mentioned this, but when you're making payments, you can rest easy knowing that, I made a few payments, and while I may owe some more at the end of the year, I probably don't owe as much, and maybe I can leverage some tax strategies where I'll even get a refund. And you can look into things like a SEP IRA or other tax strategies that I'll make some videos on in the future. But this just makes life really easy as a small business. And trust me, you don't want to be on the hook with the IRS at the end of the year. And the third reason on why you should make estimated tax payments is because your accountant will be happy that you did. I know my accountant, once he sees that I've already made payments, it kind of just makes life easier for him. Not that he cares or not that it's his responsibility, but once he's filing my taxes and he sees that I've made payments, just makes life really easy on that end for both of us, right? And finally, I want to show you guys how to actually make these estimated tax payments. So just go into Google and type IRS direct pay and search, and then you should find this link right here. So direct pay, Internal Revenue Service, click on make a payment. Reason for payment, you're going to go ahead and select estimated tax. Apply a payment to your 1040. So 1040 is pretty much the self-employed equivalent of a W-2. If you're a small business, you should be getting a 1040 at the end of the year. You want to obviously enter the year that you're making the payments for. Confirm that. And then you'll go ahead and enter all of this information, which is pretty much self-explanatory. This part you'll have to check with your accountant on whether you have to enter in your Social Security or your EIN. I know for myself, I enter my social because I'm the individual that's attached to my LLC. So I'll go ahead and enter my social. And that's pretty much it, guys. Just wanted to make a quick video on making estimated tax payments. If you guys found this helpful and you want to see more videos like this, please let me know in the comment section below. I've gotten some pretty good feedback from you guys with the the credit videos, the credit funding videos and things like that. Really just want to help you guys leverage the strategies that are out there as a small business. I've been an entrepreneur myself for going on 7-8 years now, so just want to share the knowledge and help whoever I can and impact whoever I can. So I appreciate you guys for watching. Again, if you found this helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe, and look forward to hearing from you guys. Take care.